Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am moving into my new apartment. I am so excited, and you guys are going to be seeing the first impression of my apartment the same time I am, because I've seen sample rooms, but I haven't seen this exact apartment. So I am just so excited. My entire car is filled, and I'm just so excited. So let's go.
Was crying all night, I slept until noon. I just wanna lie, my living room. I know in my heart that you're not the one, so I'll just stay home, watch VH1. My girlfriends know what to do. They know what.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. There's like a gigantic echo. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So, let me go ahead and take you on a little empty apartment tour. I'm so excited. So, let's start by the doorway. I'm so excited. All right, so this is going to be our living room. I just love the color of the walls. So this is our little kitchen area. The kitchen is so big, like this is insane. I'm so excited, and there's so much cabinet space. Like, what? I'm so excited. This is, I'm just so excited. And then this is going to be our dining room. I'm assuming this is locked. Here's our our little patio. This is actually going to be my bedroom, so I have a really nice view. So I can't show you outside. My roommate kind of asked me not to, plus I just don't want to, because that's so dangerous. You guys can very easily figure out like where I live just by seeing the outside. But oh my gosh, my view, I have a view of the pool. Sorry. I literally have the best view. I have a beautiful pool outside. It's like blue, and oh my gosh, I'm so excited. It is so pretty, and I wish I could show you, but I know if I showed you and you figured out the location that I was at, you would 100% be able to find where I'm at. But like, I am so excited. This is awesome. And then so this is my bedroom. Guys, I'm so hyped. So this is my bedroom. Obviously it's empty right now, but I like that this wall is like a diagonal. That's actually really, really cool. But I have two closets, which is so awesome. And they're pretty big closets too, which is really, really nice. Oh wow, they go back a ways. Like, that's really nice. Like, I can literally stand in here. Why am I standing in the closet? I don't know, but I'm just so excited. And then we have the other closet. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. And this is probably going to be the only time you will ever see Haley's bedroom, because why else would I be in Haley's bedroom? So her room is just a little bit bigger than mine, but then because she has the master, and then there's this big like shower here, the bathroom, and then she has this big, oh my gosh, guys, she has this big walk-in closet. Look at that. Dang. She definitely got hooked up in this bathroom. It is gorgeous. But I wanted to show you that before she came in. And then here's my bathroom. Oh my gosh, guys. I am so excited. So here is my bathroom. The light, do I have to like put lights in here or something? It's just so dark. So here is my bathroom. Like, look how tall the shower curtain is. Oh my gosh, this is amazing. And then look how much like cabinets, like once again, cabinet space. 4 days. I am so excited. Guys, I'm just so excited to be able to show you everything, like when it's all completed. Oh, and I actually forgot. So then we have a washer and dryer here in the hallway. It is very, very, very dark. I haven't quite figured out where all of the light switches are because I literally just walked in the same second you guys walked in. But yeah, so here's the washer and the dryer. I am just so excited. Like, this place is so cool. It's so beautiful. Like, the view, oh my gosh, I just wish I could share this with you because the view is just so amazing, and like the natural light that's going to be coming in for me to like film videos is going to be amazing. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited. But yeah, I just wanted to kind of give you a little bit of an empty apartment tour, and I'm just so excited. I know I've said that 1,020,000 times, but I truly am just so excited. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. I hope that you guys enjoyed my empty apartment tour as much as I did. And now I have boxes upon boxes upon boxes of things that I have to carry in here. So I'm gonna let you go, and I will see you guys later. Bye.